Unlock GoPro MAX. Does HyperSmooth make gimbals obsolete? Ever felt like your action cam is a finicky frame fighter, forcing you to chase angles mid-adventure while shaky clips haunt your highlights? Tools twisting against your thrill? It's home. Spill your wildest wipeout footage flop in the comments. Let's chuckle through the chaos. If framing fumbles or stabilization stumbles snag you, the GoPro MAX spherical 5.6K 30 capture might just sphere up your spirit. Whip to white-knuckle rushes. Deadlines dive bomb as your rig rattles through rapids or rallies. Stress surging to burnout while wind-whipped audio drowns the drama. One botched pan and the epic evaporates. But summon supremacy with OverCapture reframing and Max HyperSmooth poise. No post-panic. The GoPro MAX murmurs mastery for 360 escapades. If motion mishaps or edit exhaustion exhaust you, this could horizon your highs. Comment spin for the swirl. Dive into the GoPro MAX, a dual-lens dynamo blending 360-degree immersion with hero mode grit. Its 5.6K 30 spherical video slurping scenes SNS framing fuss, while 16.6 megapixel 360 photos stitch panoramas like panoramic poetry. Max HyperSmooth stabilization levels horizons like an unseen Sherpa. 1080p live streaming beams adventures raw, and 6-mic spatial audio envelopes like an echo of excitement. All waterproof to 16 feet for unbridled bounce. Envision Riley, the surf vlogger battling breakers at dawn. His old cam cropped chaos, waves warping wide. Clamp on the GoPro MAX, and presto, OverCapture spins surf sprays into cinematic chases, that rubbery grip hugging waves like a steadfast surfboard. Lightly irreverent. Why wrestle single-lens limits when this GoPro globetrotter ghosts poles and stealth mounts? Sensory surge? Taste the salty spray on its tactile touchscreen, lenses drinking dusk's golden haze. Here's one way the GoPro MAX saved the day for a busy professional. Mid-mountain bike melee. Its seamless stitching snagged a flawless flip sequence, no stitch in time lost. Hang on for the bonus quick app hack at the end. It's the narrative twist to hypnotic horizons. Peel back the GoPro MAX layers. Efficiency erupts into effortless epics. Focus flowing as OverCapture crafts pans from raw spheres. Performance peaking with 3K 60 slow-mo that stretches splashes into symphonies of motion. Vloggers vibe on horizon-locked hero clips yielding immersive 1080p streams. While PowerPoint bursts blanket vistas without a swivel, the quick app's object tracking tailing tales like a tireless sidekick. Thousands orbit this. Why the gravitational pull? A PC Mag expert lauded. Streamlined workflow over Fusion. Niche, but stellar for 360 fans. DC Rainmaker raved on its successor roots. Overhaul with HyperSmooth eliminating gimbal needs. Tech Radar echoed. Versatile hybrid. Reframe everything. Stabilized seamlessly. Users spin yarns. An extreme sports rider shared. Mind-blowing on trails. Footage like Steadicam magic. A family videographer added. Records all reactions at parties. Dynamic spins post-shoot. Griping the learning curve? It's UVP Zenith. Quick simplifies spheres to snaps. Doesn't that touchscreen tap tingle like a trailblazer's pulse? Mike's murmuring memories in surround silk? Which wizardry? OverCapture, HyperSmooth, or audio would vault your ventures? Comment below and rev the reel. See why thrill seekers can't unclip from this GoPro MAX boundless bounce. Splash alert. GoPro MAX stocks are submerging as adventurers anchor this 360 powerhouse for spherical setups. Join thousands who've reframed regrets, swapping shakes for spherical spectacles. One pro said, killer OverCapture, cinematic pans impossible otherwise. If angle angst or stability slips sink you, this may mount your momentum. Snatch it swift and unlock a secret stealth pole trick for aerial illusions. Click now to capture the current. Comment yes for the exclusive quick reframing gem inside. Don't just watch. Strap in and sphere your story today.